इसके लिए visible कैसे काम चलेगा फिर और प्रोजेक्टर उसका प्रॉब्लम सिस्टम पे भी होता है ओके जस्ट डू वन थिंग Okay, you are having laptops? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay, just like so. Today we will see face recognition library, and in this library you will see how to load the images, just like we have done in the OpenCV. Yes or no? How we have loaded the OpenCV? Just using IM read function. Yes or no? So now we will read the files. Clear? So just do one thing. Just disconnect it. I think this is just do one thing. Try like this. You will not use HDMI, then it will not like this. Okay, just leave it. So just write the code, Suppose I have to import first libraries. Yes or no? So somewhere we will use OpenCV also. So suppose if you are going to resize the image, if you are going to draw the rectangle on the image, if you are going to change the color of the image, in that case we will use OpenCV. Clear? But if you are using loading the images, if you are going to finding the locations of the faces, if you are going to compare the faces, so that's why we will use face recognition library. Clear है everyone? मतलब ये कि यदि हम रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करना चाहते हैं, कलर चेंज करना चाहते हैं, है ना, या फिर रिसाइज करना चाहते हैं, इसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? OpenCV. वो हम कहीं भी करेंगे तो हम उसको यूज करने वाले हैं, यस और बट सपोज आप ये चाहते हो कि आपके प्रोग्राम में आप चाहते हो किसी फाइल को लोड करना चाहते हो, इमेज फाइल, आप उससे लोकेशन फाइंड करना चाहते हो, किसका, फेस लोकेशन, ठीक है, देन उसको कंपेयर करना चाहते हो। सो इसके लिए हमने पहले क्या किसके हेल्प से किया था, ओपनसीबी। अब चूंकि उसके लिए स्पेशल लाइब्रेरी ही बना हुआ, दैट इज कॉल्ड फेस रिकॉग्निशन, तो हम उसको यूज करने वाले हैं। क्लियर है एवरीवन? सो इफ यू वांट टू यूज द लाइब्रेरी, first you will have to use what, import that library, yes or no? The first we will use cb2. It means that we are going to import OpenCV library. Just write the code and tell me. Second, which library you will use? Import face recognition. Face recognition. Face recognition. Just like you have to write, you know, with the help of underscore. Clear everyone? Face recognition. So now suppose if you want to load the image, then what you will use? Load image file. That is a function of face recognition library. Clear everyone? That is a function of face recognition. Clear everyone? So now we have to use face recognition dot. There is a function. The function is load image file. What is the function? Load image. In a small letter. Load underscore image underscore file. Clear everyone? That's right. And then you have to write the path of the file. So file is what? Here we are using image file. Huh? So that's why we have to provide the path. Suppose I have stored the images in a folder that is called business or any folder. Suppose I have used images folder, and inside this image folder I have taken up many images. So one of them I want to load. Clear? So suppose the name of the image is just like along. This is the name of the image. Clear? .png. Suppose. So just write single quote or double quote. So this is the path of the image. And suppose if you want to load this image with the help of load image func file of face recognition library, so it will be stored in some variable or not. इसका वैल्यू जो होगा वो किसमें होगा, numpy array में होगा, मैंने बताया ओपनसीबी में भी numpy array होता है, यहाँ भी numpy array में होगा, उसको स्टोर कहाँ पे होगा वैल्यू, किसी वेरिएबल में. So that's why we will take a variable that is called img string. क्या नाम देते हैं इसका हम लोग, मतलब फर्स्ट इमेज ट्रेनिंग के लिए, अब दूसरा इमेज मैं लूंगा टेस्टिंग. क्लियर है आप लोग? One more thing, that by default what is the format of the image? Anyone please tell me what is the by default format? BGR. In last test you have seen BGR. Yes sir. So in last test which laptop I have used? Anyone please? Your laptop? Is there any PyCharm installed working? It is. Yes sir. Okay, just I think this is the one. Is there any pen drive? Somebody has a pen drive? Yes, I have. Disconnect your laptop. Yeah. Silence please. Yes, anyone? Silence. Okay, everyone. Just hold it. Yes, it is visible, बच्चों. Now it is visible.
प्रोजेक्टर बंद कर ऑन करिए वही शॉप किया था
Okay. So basically, you have to write this. So you will read the image in this heading. Just like if you want to store the paste image, then what you will do? Similarly, you have to write. How it is visualized. This is visible. everyone?
Yes.
Okay, everyone? Just see. So first, we have to take the images. Yes or no? So see. If you will click on that, you will get all the libraries, and this is how we can import the image. Clear, everyone? Face recognition. Now see, this is the line. So tell me what is the purpose of using this line? Anyone? Actually by default, we are putting the images that is in the format of BGR. So we have to take in the right format or that format in which you want to see the image. Yes or no? On the screen. So currently it is BGR format, so we want to convert it RGB format. There is some difference. If you will see both the images, you will get some difference. So one image which is in BGR, you will get bluish type image, but which is RGB, you will get just image that you will see in your mobile or laptop. So that's why we have to convert the image in which format? BGR to RGB. You already know how we will use. Okay. So we are going to convert which image? First image, that is called train image. Yes or no? This is the train image. Clear? So we have to provide the name of the image and the cb2.color BGR to RGB. It means that we are going to change the format of this image into BGR to RGB format. Clear, everyone? And then if you want to take another name, you can take. Otherwise, we will use the same because this is the same image. Yes or no? ये तो same ही image है ना. So हम चाहे तो दूसरा नाम भी ले सकते हैं और चाहे तो हम क्यों ना सेम ही नाम ले लें, क्यों मल्टीपल वेरिएबल बनाएंगे, क्यों क्रिएट करेंगे, सिंपल सी बात है. तो अब क्या है, ये ओवरराइट हो गया. अब नया इमेज किस फॉर्मेट में होगा? आरजीबी फॉर्मेट. क्लियर? ये हमने किसके लिए किया है? ये हमने किसके लिए किया? सिमिलरली ये काम किसके लिए भी करेंगे? टेस्ट इमेज के लिए. क्लियर है ब्रो? सो यहाँ पे आप टेस्ट इमेज के लिए भी आप सेम टास्क कर सकते हैं. सिमिलर प्रोसेस है, बस अंतर क्या है? पाथ यहाँ पे आपको इसका देना है, इसका पाथ देना है यहाँ पे पहले इमेज का, दूसरे में किसका पाथ देना है? टेस्ट इमेज से. क्लियर हो जाएगा? बहुत सेम प्रोसेस है. नेक्स्ट, सो वी हैव successfully imported or loaded the images, both the images. Clear, everyone? So train image is called IMG along test image is called IMG. Clear, everyone? Okay. So now see, this is the important line. If you will understand this line, then you will also able to understand this line also. This is the same process. This is for the first image and this is the second image. So what is this line? This is important. Just listen to me. Yes, I have told you all earlier. If you are taking an image, maybe in that image there is multiple faces. Yes or no? It is possible or not? Suppose you are taking the group selfie. Yes or no? You are taking group selfie. In that selfie image, you will have multiple faces or not?
Yes, sir.
But suppose if you are selfish and you don't want to take the image with your friends, you want to take the selfie of itself, then what you will use? Then that image will have only one face. Yes or no? But this function, face recognition के अंदर एक function that is called face locations function, it will give all the faces location. It will give all the faces location. Just like you can see. Suppose this is the image. Just listen to me. Very, very important because this concept will be used in many projects. Clear, everyone? So now see, this is the image, group image, and this is the person one. This is person two, and this is clear. This is person one. Person one, person two, person three. So this is the face of first person. This is the face of second person. So if you will provide the path of this image. Suppose this is the first image. No? if you will provide the path of this type of image, then this location, this base location function will give you an array of array. So in first array, you will have the location of first image. In second position, you will have location of second face, and at third position, you will have location of the third face. Yes or no? Clear, everyone? So this is at 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, and this is the yes or no? Similar process you will have. Okay, now see. But currently, suppose if you are joining a company or any office, suppose, and they ask for the passport size image or ask for the image from you, then which type of image you will provide? Group photos or simple
single.
you will just write your passport size. Yes, sir. So in that images, how many faces will be there? There will be only one face. Yes or no? In that case, and that will be stored at which location? Because it's the first face or only one face, that will be stored at 0th location. Yes sir. So that's why since we are interested in only one face, and that will be stored in 0th location, that's why I have given what? 0. So basically it will give you this whole array, but I am interested in only one face location. That's why we will give 0 index. It means इस पूरे array का जो 0 index में जो value होगा वो कौन सा होगा? First value होगा, जो भी इसका data जो भी location होगा, और वो कहाँ चला जाएगा? It means that you will have this kind of variable, face lock variable, yes or no? And this will have this kind of values. Which kind of value? Now see how it stores the values. This is the image and this is the face. So in OpenCV, it gives just like this. X-axis, X, Y, H and W. Yes or no? But here's some difference. How it will give you the location? It will give you top, right, bottom, here. So it will give you top, comma, right, comma, bottom, comma. Clear, everyone? So this will give you the location of the face in this variable, just like top value first, right value first, bottom, and then left value. Clear, everyone? So now tell me how you have created the rectangle in last program. By using rectangle function. Just skip this. Just skip this line first. First we will discuss this. So now we have got the location of the face. Yes or no? We have got the location of the face in which variable? In face lock variable. Yes or no? Clear? Okay. So we want to इसका laptop है. Just remove this security purpose. So happening because of your security or screen saver. Clear? Okay. So let's see. So we want to draw a rectangle on that location. Clear, everyone? For this we will use rectangle. As earlier we have done. Yes or no? So now we will provide the image on which we want to draw the rectangle. Clear? This is the image, and at which location you want to draw. The location which you have got from this function. Yes or no? So now tell me. This let me complete first. So write down till now. So now we have drawn the rectangle in last class. X, comma Y. Yes or no? Listen to me, everyone. Everyone, please listen to me. Especially last row. This is X, Y. Yes or no? We have given X here, Y here, and x plus w here and y plus h. Yes or no? Similarly, we will also provide the x, y. So what is x? This location is called x comma y. And what is this location? X plus w, and this is called y plus h. Yes or no? Similarly, we have to give the location of this coordinate and this coordinate. Yes or no? Then only we can draw the rectangle. Clear everyone? How we will provide? As you can see, this location is what?
Left top.
And x comma y. This is x. P. You will write L and T. Yes or no? Instead of using x and y, what we will use? L comma T. Here. R comma W. R comma B. Yes or no? क्योंकि हमें इसका डिस्टेंस पता है ना, हम अभी क्यों x का यूज करेंगे? हमारे पास ऑलरेडी कोऑर्डिनेट दिया हुआ है, हमें पता है ये पोजीशन जो है, ये पॉइंट जो है बेसिकली इससे इतने पोजीशन पर है, इससे इतने पोजीशन पे, तो हम क्यों यूज करेंगे? यस और नो? सो वी हैव टू जस्ट राइट L comma T is the x and y, and this position is what? R comma T. Clear? So now tell me, if you are using L and comma T, so L को कैसे एक्सेस करोगे? L is at 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 index. Index number 3. So if you want to access L, then face log of 3. L. Clear? So then T will be there. Where is T? Face log of 0 index. Are you able to understand or not? Please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
So all these things you have learned in the Python. Location, what is indexing, what is location, all these things you have already learned. Yes or no? So now see, we will use L and T. So L is what? Face log of 3, and T is what? Face log of 0. Clear? So now second coordinate we have to give. We have to provide this location. This is what? R comma B. Yes or no? R comma B. So that's why we have to give face log of 1, face log of 2. Just see. Clear everyone? This is how we can provide the location, we can draw the rectangle. And then next one is what? Color. BGR.
Yes, sir.
So B and G. ऐसा हो बस इसको इतना ऐसे ठीक है, क्लिक भी करना होगा. So I think that you are not doing any very confidential work. So I think you don't need this type of screen saver so that you can protect your screen. Clear? So just remove it. Clear? So मुझे लगता है आप ये सब चीज ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करोगे लैपटॉप पे जो आप कॉन्फिडेंशियल हो और कोई देख लेगा ऐसा, इसीलिए स्क्रीन सेवर हटा देते हैं. Clear? So now see, we have done this. We have get the location. We have drawn the rectangle on that face so that we can see that the algorithm has successfully created or not. So that we can see the algorithm has successfully detected the face or not. Clear? अब face से जहाँ किया था वही rectangle draw होगा ना, क्योंकि हम उसी location को use कर rectangle के लिए. Clear है? Now see what is the use of this. इसके help से हमने rectangle draw कर दिया. Clear है? So now we will use encoding. So now tell me what is encoding. Basically, every person is having unique face. Yes or no? That is called the features. That is called features of them. So basically, when we provide the image, this algorithm, this function, face encoding function, first create a you can edges. Detect the edges of the face. Edges मतलब कि इसका size, यानी जितने भी features है, eyebrow, nose, सबका size वो detect करता है. और आपके face का draw करता है क्या? Edge draw करता है आपके face. उसके according कितने values आएंगे? 128 values होते हैं. यानी हर एक face के कितने होते हैं? Corresponding. It means that my face will also have 128 values, and your face will also have 128 values. When you will pass face encoding function. Clear? So this is the value that will be used for the face comparison. Clear? Or this is the unique value. This is the unique value. So if suppose 60% or more than 60%, just listen to me. If 60% or more than 60% is matching, it means that it will say matching is complete. Or if there is less than 60%, then it will say no, percentage is different. Clear everyone? So that's why encoding is used. Means it will take the value of numpy. Again, it is a numpy array. It will take the screen value. It will take the screen value or the face value. How many values? 128 values of your face. Just like my face, your face, and another face. This is the unique value of each and every face. Clear? So this will be used to compare the faces. So this value is just equal to the test image encodings. Then we will say that the person is same. Clear? So now see. So basically हमने क्या किया? तीनों ड्रॉ कर लिया. हमने मेन इमेज का जो ट्रेन इमेज था उसका हमने लोकेशन ड्रॉ किया, इनकोडिंग स्टोर कर लिया इसमें और रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ कर लिया. अब सेम काम किसके लिए भी करेंगे? टेस्ट के लिए भी करेंगे. अब क्या करना होगा हमें? केवल और केवल यहाँ पे नाम चेंज करना होगा और साथ में इसका लोकेशन तो अलग होगा या सेम ही होगा? इसका वैल्यू भी तो अलग स्टोर करेंगे ना. इसका नाम हमने दिया था फेस लॉक, इसका मैंने दे दिया टेस्ट लॉक. कोई दिक्कत? ताकि डिफरेंशिएट हो जाए और हम ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. तो ये हमने पहले का इनकोडिंग किया, लोकेशन ड्रॉ किया, रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ किया. ये दूसरे का भी कर किया. अब हमें दोनों को क्या करना है? मैच करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? तो ये हमने डन कर लिया. अब देखो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू कंपेयर द फेसेस, मतलब आपको चेक करना है कि दोनों फेस सेम है. किससे चेक करोगे? लोकेशन से करोगे? नहीं. रेक्टेंगल से करोगे? नहीं. तो ऐसा कौन सा यूनिक वैल्यू है आपके पास? सो वी आर हैविंग encoding value of each faces and that is used to match the faces. So that is, you can see again, if you want to encoding value, if you want to compare the encoding value of first image and encoding value of second image, then you will have a function that is called compare faces. Compare faces. Compare faces. Clear everyone? So in this case, this will store the encodings of main image. This is the encoding of test image, and this will compare. If the comparison is greater than or equal to 60%, if compares and the comparison is some kind of comparison is done inside this function. So if the comparison is what? Actually not comparison, just you can see, you can say the distance. You know how we will find the distance between these 2 points if we have the coordinates? You know how we will find this? So if you want to find the distance, then how we will find x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus 1. Yes or no? And suppose if I have the encodings, just listen to me, this point and this is the point x2. This is 128 values are there. Again, here is 128 values are there. This is the encoding of first image and this is the encoding of second. And we want to find the distance between them. How we will find? Just similar way. We will take the first value and we will take the first value. We will find the difference. We will square it. Then plus second value minus second value. Then square it. Yes or no? Similar way we will find the distance of this. Or if the distance is what? More than 60%, then we will say distance. Just it is not the same image. Now I am taking opposite in the case of distance. So if distance is more than 60%, we will say it is not the same person. If distance is minimum, means what is similar. Means if distance is minimum, then we will say same person. हो सकता है कभी आपका इमेज पहले आप दुबले थे, अब मोटे हो गए, तो क्या आपका कोडिंग चेंज हो जाएगा? नहीं, कुछ वैल्यूज चेंज होंगे. पहले ये पतला था, अब थोड़ा सा मोटा हो गया, है ना. आप पहले आईब्रो ऐसे रखा, अब बनाना शुरू किया, बनाना शुरू कर दिए हो सकता है। अब पहले ये है ना बियर्ड मैन आप कहते हो पहले नहीं थे आप, तो क्या होगा उसके वैल्यूज का वो चेंज होंगे ना, बहुत ज्यादा तो चेंज नहीं होने वाला। दैट्स व्हाई we will take the difference, so it will compare the face. If both the persons are same, then it will store true. Just listen to me. If both the values are little bit same, then it will store the true. Clear everyone? If you want to print the distance, there is also a function that is called face distance. Similarly, you have to provide the encodings of both images. It will give you the distance also, and you will use print function, and you can show the images. You know how to show the image? Very simple. You already know. So this is the project. So just let me show you. Is there any image folder? इमेज है यहाँ पे? कितने इमेजेस हैं? वो तीनों अलग अलग पर्सन का होगा? सेकंड जो है सेकंड just see, don't worry, just listen to me. Copy path, okay, and then go to the paste here. Let me give you the path. This is the first image, clear? And now let me provide the second value or second image path. Clear? Now tell me that it is same person or different person. So what you will give? You will get as a result. Yes, just see if we run this code. You see. Will get false. False and distance will be more than 60%. Yes, you can more than 40%. False and more than 40%, you can see. Is the same person or not? And this is the another person. So as you can see, we have got false and more than 40%. If the person will be same, you will get 30, 40, 50 like this. Clear? So let me use you just try to take the same value. If you, okay, just let me give you one thing. Suppose if we provide the same value, suppose in both the, suppose if we are giving same image in both test and main image, then what will happen? Yes, anybody please tell me. Suppose if we provide same image in both the test as well as trained value, then what will happen? Yes, anybody? Zero. Because same image there, it means the encoding of both images will be same. And if we will find the difference, then will be 0 or not. Because this is the first value is same, difference will be 0. Second value is same. Again there will be 0. So the final distance will be what? 0. So if you are in a similar image, then you will get distance equal to 0. If you are using the same person image, but it's a different image, then you will get some 30, 40 like this. Clear? So just see if we run this code. True and clear everyone? So this is how face recognition works with the help of face recognition language. Clear everyone?
सर अगर मेन में इलॉन मस्क का और सेकंड इमेज में मल्टीपल फेसेस है, उसमें इलॉन मस्क का पिक्चर है,